Motion track. Motion track is used to capture the motion curve of the moving component during the assembly animation. You can visually observe the motion state of the component to verify whether its motion is in line with expectations. This function is based on an existing animation. Click Edit Animation button in Assembly tab to enter the animation environment. Here is the animation without a motion track. Now, let's create a motion track. First, click Motion Track in Animation tab. Next, select a specific point as the track point. Give it a name. Then, the motion track is created. Now, we can play the animation with a motion track. ZW3D will record the motion curve of the selected point. Right-click the motion track item. You can export the coordinates of the points along the curve to a CSV file. Besides, the motion track curve can be transferred to the modeling environment for the following design.